Hey everyone, it's Jay, and today we're going on a super fun adventure to explore the world of healthy habits. Did you know that lots of kids face challenges when it comes to eating their veggies and staying active? It's like a big, puzzling mystery, but don't worry, we're here to solve it together. We're gonna learn all about the super cool ways we can make healthy habits fun for kids. Imagine turning those yucky faces into yummy smiles. That's what we're aiming for. We'll discover how to make healthy choices exciting and enjoyable, just like playing our favorite games. So buckle up and get ready for an awesome adventure, as we learn how to make healthy habits stick with kids. This is going to be epic. Okay guys, let's talk about the challenge we're facing. We all know that fruits and veggies are super good for us, right? They make us strong and give us energy to play all day long. But sometimes, convincing our taste buds to agree with us can be tricky. It's like, they want to play with toys, not eat broccoli. And then there's exercise. Running around, jumping and playing tag are some of the most fun things ever. But sometimes our brains tell us it's easier to just sit and watch TV or play video games. It's a real struggle. But guess what? It doesn't have to be a battle. We can outsmart those tricky taste buds and lazy bones by making healthy habits super fun and exciting. Are you ready to find out how? Get ready because I'm about to share some super secret, super fun healthy habit hacks. First up, let's turn cooking into a game. Imagine we're chefs with magical powers transforming ordinary vegetables into delicious dishes. We can even give our creations silly names like broccoli trees or carrot rocket ships. Next, let's bring stories to life. Remember the story of Jack and the Beanstalk? Well, we can create our own adventures with fruits and veggies as the stars. How about a race between a speedy strawberry and a zooming zucchini? The possibilities are endless. And don't forget about the power of music and dancing. Crank up your favorite tunes and dance while you're washing fruits and veggies. It's like having a party in the kitchen. The Ultimate Healthy Hero Challenge. Now for the most epic healthy habit hack of all, the Ultimate Healthy Hero Challenge. This is where we combine everything we've learned into one super fun event. Imagine this, a themed healthy cooking night where we make our own pizzas with tons of colorful veggies. We can even cut the veggies into fun shapes. And to make it even more exciting, let's have a scavenger hunt around the house or backyard. We can hide clues that lead to different fruits and veggies. Once we find all the clues, we win a prize. The Ultimate Healthy Hero Challenge is all about making healthy choices so much fun that we forget we're even learning. It's like magic, but with real-life superpowers. Healthy habits for the win. So, what have we learned today, explorers? We've discovered that making healthy habits fun is the secret to raising healthy and happy kids. Remember, it's all about turning those you moments into yay moments. When we use our imaginations, get creative in the kitchen, and turn healthy choices into games and adventures, anything is possible. We can outsmart those picky eaters and couch potatoes one healthy habit at a time. Remember, every small step counts. So let's celebrate all the amazing things our bodies can do when we fuel them with nutritious food and lots of active play. Share your healthy habit adventures. Hey everyone, I had so much fun exploring healthy habits with you today. Now it's your turn. What are your favorite ways to make healthy choices fun? Do you have any secret recipes or games you like to play? Share your awesome ideas in the comments below. I can't wait to hear all about your healthy habit adventures. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and exciting videos. Remember, learning about health and wellness can be an epic adventure. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep on exploring. Thanks for joining me on this super fun adventure today. I hope you learned some cool new ways to make healthy habits fun for you and your family. Remember, eating healthy and staying active is like giving your body superpowers. It helps you grow big and strong and gives you the energy to play all day long. So, next time you're feeling hungry, reach for a colorful fruit or veggie, and don't forget to get up and move your body. Even a little dance party in the kitchen can make a big difference. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome adventures. Bye.